You don't need a PhD in phonics to teach your child to read. My name is Danae Aboa. I'm a reading specialist, and welcome to our Learn to Read series. It's perfect for brand new readers and struggling readers. If you're new here, head here to check out lesson 1. And if you're all caught up on the lessons already, let's keep going. All right, we are here at workout 14. Congratulations. Give your reading coach a high five and say, I'm so ready for this. Well done. All right, we've got 2 new sight words to learn today, which means that our game is going to be at the end, and you already know what game we are playing today. So let's have a look at the 2 words that we are learning today. This right here, H-E, when we see this jump off the page at us, we want to say the word he. And this is very similar. Do you see he right here? So if it starts with an S and has the same ending, we are going to say she. So this is he and this is she. So go ahead and write those out. Now some of these letters, again, we haven't learned, so that's okay. We're going to write and we're going to say the letter as we write it. H, E, he. And we'll do the same with she. S, H, E, she. All right, so go ahead and practice writing those out, and when you are done, we've got some word hunting to do. All right, are you ready to go on a word hunt? I want you to go and hunt for the words he, she, and any of the other words that we've learned, and go ahead and circle those in your sentences. And remember, you don't need to read the whole sentence, just find those words and circle them. Go ahead. All right, you've made it to the end of workout 14. This means that you get to play gravity now, and now you've got 6 words that you're going to be working with. So have your reading coach click on workout 14 and you will find all of the words that we've learned so far. Go ahead and try an easy or a hard level depending on what you're comfortable with, and have a fun time practicing those sight words.